Good evening all the students. For topic chemical kinetics, date 31st August 2020. Level 1, question number 8. For the reaction x of A plus y of B gives rise to Z of C. Okay students, if minus dA by dt equals to minus dB by dt equals to 1.5 dC by dt, then x, y and z are, that is the question. For this, how to write differential rate equation. We have to write the differential rate equation today, that is minus 1 by x dr by dt equals to minus 1 by y dB by dt equals to 1 by z dC by dt. This is equation 1. Given that in a question minus dA by dt equals to minus dB by dt equals to 1.5 dC by dt. This is a given equation. Imagine it is second equation. Multiply equation 2 by 1 by 3, we get minus 1 by 3 dA by dt equals to minus 1 by 3 dB by dt equals to 1 by 2 dC by dt. This is equation 3. On comparing equation 1 and 3, we get x value is 3, y value is 3, z value is 2. Then option 3 is correct for this. Option 3 is correct for this. Bit number 10, rate equation, units of K given. Okay, for first one, rate is equals to reactant, one reactant, that is first order reaction. First order reaction, unit second inverse, students. C. Then second, rate, that depends upon two reactants, concentration of two reactants. Then it is second order reaction, that is units, second order reaction units are liter, mole inverse, second inverse. D. Third, rate of reaction is depends upon three reactants, 1A and 2B, three reactants, third order reaction. Then liter square, mole inverse square, second inverse are the units. Fourth one, rate of reaction is depends upon K, that is zero order reaction. Zero order reaction units are mole, liter inverse, second inverse. Okay students, option 2 is correct for this. Next bit number 11. Molecularity of the elementary reaction is 2NO plus O2 gives rise to 2NO2. This is numerical type bit. Okay students, for elementary reactions, the number of reacting species, nothing but molecularity. Nitric oxide reacting species are moles 2, oxygen moles 1, then 2 plus 1, 3. Molecularity is 3. Direct answer 3. Next, level 2, bit number 10. Which statement is wrong? Wrong statement, how to identify? Options are, for an elementary reaction, molecularity can be obtained from the stoichiometric equation. That is correct. The molecularity has no significance for a complex reaction. That is also correct. Third option, the molecularity of H2 plus Br2 gives rise to 2HBr. Complex reaction is 2. This is a wrong statement. Why? Because for complex reaction, molecularity is not significant. There is no molecularity for complex reactions. That is a wrong statement. Fourth option, molecularity cannot be fractional. That is also correct. Then option 3 is wrong statement. Next, level 2, bit number 13. For NaH3 decomposition, students, N2 plus 3H2 rate with respect to nitrogen, that is N2, is 2 into 10 power minus 3 meters minus 10 minutes. Then rate with respect to nitrogen after 20 minutes will be, students, this is a zero order reaction. The given reaction is zero order reaction. For zero order reaction, rate remains constant with time. For zero order reaction, rate remains constant with time. So answer is same, that is 2 into 10 power minus 3, option 1 is correct. For zero order reaction, rate remains constant with time. Okay, thank you.